Hi, good afternoon. My name is Soya. I'm an AI engineer and a software developer. Today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Supabase to your make.com workflow. So what we're going to do is head over to Supabase, create a new project. If you don't have one already, just click new project, enter the project name, the database password, and click create new project. But since I already have one over here, I'm just going to click on this project right here. Then first thing I'm going to do is click Supabase, search rows, and then click add. So for the project ID, we could just get this from the URL on the top right. Click Control C, paste that over here, and the API key is basically the service role key. So we'll be heading to the project settings, click API keys, reveal the service role, click copy, paste it down here, and you're all set. Your table is now integrated. We don't have any tables here created yet, so what we're going to do is just create one. Head over to the SQL Editor, create table, test, let's see, say contents, and then click run. Now you should have a table if you head to the table selector. Here's your test table, and let's add a row over here. We'll just enter test, click save, and there's our content. So now let's head over here to our table. We should have test, and then click save, and let's run this once. There you have it. Here's our content. If you're interested in watching more videos about Supabase and make.com or even N8N, please click the follow and subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.